Hi there, this is Ray Fearing with a quick tip to save you time and reduce frustration with students using Google in Canvas. So here I am in a Canvas course. This is just a manual course I created last year, and I'm going to go to my modules, which is how I organize all of my assignments. And there's my modules from last year. Now I'm going to add a new assignment because I want students to do an assignment that I've already created in Google Docs, and I want to add it to my Canvas. So I'm going to click on the plus, and that creates the option to add whatever I want to add, an assignment, quiz, file, page. I'm going to go ahead and add an assignment, so it's already on assignment, and I'm going to create a new assignment, and I have to name it. And this assignment is going to be called 8 parts of speech assignment, and then I just click on add item. So now it's added that 8 parts assignment to my list. I'm going to click it to be able to edit it. And that is where I'm going to insert that Google Doc that I want all the students to get a copy of. So here I am in my 8 parts assignment. I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit button. And now I can type in some instructions for the students. So I would type in my instructions here into this box. I could also paste a video if I wanted them to watch some information or some content before they do it. I also like to go to the media tab, and I click on this tab and click upload or record media, and that allows me to record the instructions, and I can do it with my camera on, or if I just want audio I can turn my camera off, and I will click record, and then I can record the instructions. So right now I can't use my webcam because I'm already using it, but normally I would have the option of turning my webcam on or off right here, and my mic you can see is picking me up. I can just click start recording and it will record me. Once I do that, it will insert my audio or video instructions here. That really helps students who struggle with text or following text on a page. If they can hear you give instructions for the assignment, it really makes those instructions richer and helps students understand. So I like to type instructions and record instructions, and then I need to insert my assignment. So I'm going to go down below the box. I can type in all the other things I want to fill in for this assignment, points and so on. The magic happens right here under submission type. So you're going to click on submission type, and you're going to choose external tool. Once you've chosen external tool, it's going to pop up a box down below where you're going to find the tool you want to use. So click on the find button, and we're going to go find our Google LTI integration. So there are a couple Google Drive or Google Assignments are your choices. I'm going to choose Google Assignments LTI 1.3. Once I select it, it's connecting to my Google account. So yes, that is me. I'm going to click continue. I could switch account if it's the wrong one. And then here, if I haven't created it, I could just click on create and just make the Google Doc right now. But I've already created it, so I'm just going to attach it. Click on attach, it's going to pull up my drive, and I'm going to select it from my drive. Things I've created most recently are listed at the top there, but if it's not there, I can just search for it. So I'm searching for my 8 parts assignment, and I'm going to click it. And once I've clicked it, it's been selected, and now I'm going to add it. So I click on add, and there it is. You can see it right here. It's listed, there's my 8 parts instructions. And now I have to choose how I want to grade it. Do I want to grade it in Google Assignments, where it's just me commenting on a doc with the student? Or I'm going to choose Canvas Speed Grader, which is, I always choose Canvas Speed Grader because it's such a great tool. That allows me to not only leave comments, but I can also leave audio or video comments. I can annotate the doc. The student can talk to me. I can include a bunch of information. Also, I can grade it right in Canvas and then just push those grades to Aries. So I'm going to choose SpeedGrader, and then I'm going to click on the Create button, and it is saving that and putting it into my Canvas assignment. So I've already chosen it, so now all I have to do is click on Select. Once I've done that, you can see that it is here listed in the bar right there. There's the Google assignment. So I can make any other adjustments I want to this assignment, due date or whatever. And when I'm done, I can click save or save and publish. I'm going to go ahead and click save and publish. And then it is created. And that's all there is to it. So now you will see it from the instructor view, which is just like in Google Classroom. It shows the activity that I've added for the students. I could have clicked on the check plagiarism if it was a writing assignment I wanted to check for plagiarism. And then as students submit it, I will start seeing the submissions show up down here. Now, it's already published, so students would be able to see it. I could click on student view, but because it's making a copy for each student, I won't be able to see it as a teacher. So it will just show me my teacher view again because I'm linked as an instructor. I could switch to something else, a student, if I wanted to, if I had a test student available. But the students would see it here as a doc embedded. They could type right on it and submit it right here in Canvas. No more going outside, saving it to their drive, trying to find it, and submit it in Canvas. It is super streamlined, easy, easier for the kids, easier for you, and then it's available to grade in SpeedGrader. Just a huge time saver. So I hope that helps. I hope you find this useful. Thank you.